Hello.
Hello.
Where are we going today?
So we are at the Alcantara Park.
Alcantara.
And apparently there is a gorge which is look beautiful looking through the pictures on internet. So I really want to go there and check it out. It wasn't very easy to find it.
No, it wasn't.
It's not really well advertised, to be honest. We took the wrong way a few times. And there are a lot of activities as well, so you can go
Crafting,
yeah, and biking as well, I think.
biking.
The park apparently is quite big, so I guess there are guys that can take you around.
So I just need to switch this handle to the waterproof one, completely waterproof one, and we'll be going in that direction. Okay guys, we've got the waterproof case on, so what's left to do now? Just explore, so we'll be going down that direction. Yeah, the water's freezing. Yeah. Oh my god. No. Too much. I guess we need to get used to the water, but it's freezing, like bloody freezing. Wow, I don't know how people manage doing that. Sylvia, let's go. Okay, ready? Just go quickly down there and then we're coming back. Okay? Okay, come on, let's go. It's just not doable.
The thing is, I want to go there and take a picture from there.
So
Because I saw a video on YouTube of these two guys.
that went down there.
I'm sure 100% they were down there.
Let's just do it, okay? Just
Let's go.
get to the rock and out there again, okay?
Okay, Alex wants me to go
First, yeah.
to see if there is another place where we can stop, so let's go. If I don't come back, you have to come. At some point, I don't know if I was recording or not, the current is, the level of water is up to here, and the current is very strong.
Yeah.
You have to do this close to the rock.
No, not for me. No, I can't. Okay. Yeah, some people just use this technique. They start shouting. So, and hopefully they won't feel anything.
I wanted to take a beautiful selfie down there, and I took it by myself.
Yeah, it's just you see, irresistible.
I don't know. I can feel it cold, but it's not a pain anymore.
No, for me it's just pain. Anyway, I can't. I'm just not built for it. I'm not built for it. So that's it for today. Bye guys.